Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushua, Bahasham Rakakudash. Double honor to our apostles and elders of Great Millstone, who still rule well. Peace and blessing to the elect of Israel. Shalom. Chile is a Hebrew word. Chile is a Hebrew word, and the people of the country of Chile and of the country of Argentina are Israelites. They are Israelites from the tribe of Naphtali. Okay? The native inhabitants, the original inhabitants of those regions, are Israelites from the tribe of Naphtali. And this is just more evidence of that fact, okay, through the spirit of Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua and through faith, okay, because first you have to believe, okay? First you have to have faith. But it's just more proof, so I hope you're edified. Tune in. Shalom. I'm on the Google search engine. And I typed in how to say Chile in Hebrew. And this is what popped up. What you see on the right, it says Taziyalah. Taziyalah. And on the left, it says Chile. So the way that you say Chile in Hebrew is Taziyalah, or simply Tazalah, which you're going to see that. So the question I'm going to pose is, where do you find Chile in the scriptures? Where do you find the word Chile in the Bible? By the word Tazalah. Let's find out. Genesis chapter 4, and getting to the point, verse 19. And Lamech took unto him 2 wives. The name of the one was Ada, and the name of the other Zillah. Now Lamech, he's a direct descendant from Cain. But the point is, he had a wife that was called Zillah, which that's how you say Taziyalah or Tazalah in English. Zillah. Okay? Which this is going to explain what the word Chile means. And it's also going to show how the people that live in the country of Chile are the tribe of Naphtali. The people of Chile and Argentina are the tribe of Naphtali. But in this lesson, I'm talking about the people that live in Chile specifically. Now, what does Zillah mean and how to say it in Hebrew? The word Zillah or Zyla. This is blueletterbible.org. Now, the way that you say Zillah or Zyla in Hebrew is Tazalah. Tazalah, which means shade or shadow. Tazalah, it means shade or shadow. Now keep in mind that Tazalah or Tazayala, that's how you say Chile in the Hebrew. And they mean the same thing. Now let's get some root words. Tazalah goes back to Tazal, which means shadow or shade. Tazal goes back to Tazalal, which means to be or become or grow dark. Like the day, right? Like the end of the day, it becomes dark. To become or grow dark, to shadow. Let's read the Strong's definitions. Tazalal, a primitive root, identical with through the idea of hovering over. To shade as twilight or an opaque object. Begin to be dark, shadowing. Now let's get the definition for shadow and also twilight. This is on the Free Dictionary. shadow. Noun. A dark area or shape made by an object blocking rays of light. Now let's read definition D. Shadows. The darkness following sunset. That's it right there. Okay. Now, the definition for twilight. Noun. The diffused light from the sky during the early evening or early morning, in particular early evening, when the sun is below the horizon and its light is refracted by the Earth's atmosphere. The time of the day when the sun is just below the horizon, especially the period between sunset and dark. Okay, so that's what Tazala means. To be or to become dark, like the end of the day. Like the end of the day. Okay, let's read one more definition. The soft, diffused light occurring when the sun is just below the horizon, especially following sunset. So that's the point on that. Now this is Chile on wikipedia.org. Let's go to etymology. Etymology for Chile. We're going to get to the point right here on the left. It says, other theories say Chile may derive its name from a Native American word meaning either ends of the earth or seagulls. Wait a minute. It says ends of the earth. Like the twilight, because guess what? The sun sets on the west. It sets at the end of the earth. Where's Chile at? The end of the earth. Okay? Chile is a Hebrew word. In the Hebrew, it's tazalah, and it means twilight, which goes back to the meaning end of the earth. Okay? Where the sun sets. Okay? It says from the Mapuche word Chile, which may mean where the land ends. Is not Chile at the end of the earth? Or from the Quechua, Chiri, cold. To Chile, meaning either snow or the deepest point of the earth. And that's the point right there. But the main point was ends of the earth, which should remind you of the twilight or shadow. Deuteronomy chapter 33 and verse 23. And of Naphtali he said, O Naphtali, satisfied with favor and full with the blessing of Yahweh by Hashem Yahushai, possess thou the west and the south. The west would be Chile, and the south would be Argentina. This is the west, and this is the south. Is not this west? This is the west, and it's the ends of the earth. Going back to the meaning of Chile, in the Hebrew, it's tazalah, which means shadow or twilight, which basically goes into the end of the earth. Just how the sun sets, and the sun sets in the west. Okay? So that's more proof that the people of the country of Chile are in fact the tribe of Naphtali. Okay, because Chile in the Hebrew is tazalah, which means shadow or twilight. Going back to the end of the earth, the ends of the earth. So with that, I hope you were edified. I want to give all praise to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai, Bashim Rakakwadash, double honor to our apostles and elders, great millstone. Peace and bless to the elect. Shalom.